Alright guys, so I'm going to walk you through how to do this unit circle intuition mission on Khan Academy. First thing we need to talk about is let's go over this unit circle over here to the left. So anytime you're starting at this point right here, your cosine, which refers to your x, and your sine, which refers to your y, this represents 0 radians. So you can always refer to the unit circle in radians or degrees, and it's also referred to as 0 degrees. This is your starting point. As you move the circle around, it changes both the degrees and the radians. Now, because this problem's in degrees, we just need to move this so that it's at 200 degrees. So I'm just going to keep going until I get to 200, matching it in the problem. Because it's asking for the sine, I know I need the y value. So my y value is my vertical distance. So this value right here is negative 0.342. That's your answer. Let's try it again. We need 80 degrees. So I'm going to move this until I see an 80 in that center. This number right here needs to be 80 degrees. Sine, again, is referring to our y value. So we're looking at the vertical number. So 0.985. All right. Now, what happens if we have a negative degrees? So instead of starting this way and going above, I'm going to start here and I'm going to go down. See how this degree is now negative? So we're going to go round until we get to 125. We want the cosine, so we're going to look at this horizontal distance, negative 0.574. All right, so what happens if you're given a problem with radians or with pi? 2/3 pi, if we look over here, would be right about here. But we want negative 2/3 pi. So instead of starting here and going up, we're going to start here and we're going to go down. And we're going to go about the same distance until it says negative 2/3 pi. And we want the sine, so we want the y value. So this is going to be, we can write it as a fraction, negative √3/2, or we can write it as a decimal, 0.866. Oop. 0. All right, now, every time around the unit circle counts as 2 pi. So if we come all the way around, that's 2 pi. Every half loop around counts as 1 pi. So I'm going to go one full loop around and then one half. See how I started here? I went all the way around once and then half. I'm at 3 pi. Sine refers to the y value. There is no distance from that x axis, so my y value is just 0. All right.